If you haven't got a zip in, a structured pocket, then you don't need to worry. Just depends on what you want to do. So now you can put your other pocket bag down and then lay your trouser leg on the top and sort of complete the trouser leg. You can see it coming together. So now we've got all the same fabrics blending through nicely, and that will line up with there. This will line up across, everything lines up nicely, and you may have a few notches there to match as well, so be careful when you do that, making sure that you've got that mount. So make sure that you do take your seam allowance with that. So turn it back to the wrong side. We can now see how your pocket bags line up. Just really easy, just pops all pops together really nicely. So the next thing to do is to join your pocket bag together. So again, depending on the weight of lining you've got, you could do this as a French seam. You can actually stitch it 0.5 first, then turn it through to the other side and top stitch and stitch it again. So do a French seam. So stitch it this side, 0.5, and then take it into the inside of the garment, 0.5. So that is fine, but it can make it bulky. For quickness, you can stitch it 1 centimetre and then overlock it. So you overlock all the way around that curved edge. So again, it makes that pocket bag, I don't know if you know anyone that wears trousers quite a lot, maybe jeans, and it's got a lightweight pocket bag. What can happen is you get holes in there. If they use it for change, you end up with having to repair pockets quite often. If this person likes to wear this particular trousers quite a lot, well, they might stand with their hands in their pockets. A lot of people, like I do, put their hands in their pockets sometimes just for something to do, or you're standing in a certain way, or you're waiting, or you're bored, you put your hands in your pockets, don't you? So you get wear and tear in the pocket. So you do find that sometimes, obviously depending on the type of construction of the pocket, obviously it's going to last longer. So if you stitch it 1 centimetre, obviously this is the inside of the garment, so you wouldn't want to leave it raw. You've got to do some kind of finish. So you either decide whether a French seam is more appropriate, or whether just overlocked would be fine. I suppose for strength, the French seam is going to be a lot stronger, but either or. Okay, so we now need to stitch all the way around this pocket bag curve. One centimetre all the way around. Now you can decide whether you overlock it or do what you want to it. So I'll decide, at this stage I'm going to be overlocking it, so I've taken the centimetre. So the final bit to do, to finish off, is literally, so you stitch down your centre fronts all through the layers, so you're sewing through both pocket bag pieces and the main piece. And you can do that at about 0.5, now I'll come and put it again because it's jumped. Otherwise it's actually behaved itself. So you're just literally securing everything and making sure that that when you go to actually stitch your zip and when you go to put your waistband down, nothing's going to be moving around. It makes life a lot easier. So just kind of basting it all the layers together. Stop as well at the top and go all the way along the waist edge. That one. And then you'll just need to do one more just here. As you can see there, it's quite a weak point there. And that will all go into the seam allowance. But you can just do 0.5. Just to hold it all together. And then what you can do is also, if you're going to do like a pressed open seam or felled, whatever you want to do at the side seam, you can either overlock that